Let's begin with the MCQs of cell structure of organization. Fluidity of biomembrane can be shown by which microscope? Options given are electron microscope, tissue culture, construct microscope, and fluorescence microscope. The correct option is fluorescence microscope. See, the resolution power here is very high. Remember, this kind of microscope uses fluorescence phenomena instead of phosphorescence. It uses fluorescence phenomena in addition to absorption and reflection. So we get a better image of fluidity of the biomembrane. So it is measured or it is seen by fluorescence microscope. Next question. Pure fraction of cellular component can be isolated by. Options given are chromatography, scanning electron microscopy, X-ray diffraction, differential centrifugation, and autoradiography. The correct option here is differential centrifugation. See, what is differential centrifugation? Differential centrifugation is, it is mechanical separation. It is mechanical separation of subcellular components. Okay, it is mechanical separation of subcellular components. So what happens is the highly dense components will be centrifugated at lower speed. So these would be centrifugated at lower speed. And the lighter components would be centrifugated at high speed. Alright, so the correct option is differential centrifugation. Next. Who proposed cell theory? Right at the start of this chapter only, the name of this scientist has been described. Sheldon and Schwann have given the cell theory. Next. Who proposed the theory that cell arise only from pre-existing cell? See, the scientist Virchow had said omnis cellula a cellula, which means cell arise only from pre-existing cells. So the correct option is Virchow. Next. Raphides are needle-like crystals made up of, options given are calcium carbonate, sulfate, oxalate or pectate. The correct option is calcium oxalate. Now these may be either in the form of bundles or it may be either found singly. Okay, so the raphides are formed from calcium oxalate. Calcium oxalate. Next. Middle lamella is made up of calcium and magnesium pectate. Okay, so lamella ka middle portion is made up of calcium and magnesium pectate. Next question. The plasma membrane consists of, options given are proteins embedded in a carbohydrate bilayer. No, that's not the correct answer. Phospholipids embedded in protein bilayer. No, it is actually plasma membrane consists of proteins which are embedded in phospholipid bilayer. So that's the description only of plasma membrane, that proteins are embedded in the phospholipid bilayer. Bulk drinking of fluids by cell is termed as, see, fluids, cell drinking or bulk drinking of cells is called as spinocytosis. When the entire amount of food, big food particles are engulfed, that is called as phagocytosis. So what is phagocytosis? Engulfing of food particles. Okay, engulfing of food particles. Pinocytosis is called as cell drinking. This phagocytosis is called as cell eating. Pinocytosis is called as cell drinking. And xylosis, no. Osmosis means movement of solute from higher concentration to lower concentration. Okay, so the correct option is B. Next, according to the mosaic model, plasma membrane is made up of its phospholipid extrinsic and intrinsic proteins. Okay, so that's what mosaic model states. Which is the latest model that is proposed to explain the structure of plasma membrane? It is fluid mosaic model. Okay, fluid mosaic model. Next, the name protoplasm was given by Purkinje. Purkinje was the one who gave protoplasm its name. And the terms cytoplasm and nucleoplasm, these were given by Strasburger. So you have to remember the names of these scientists. Protoplasm was regarded as the physical basis of life by Hurley. Okay, Hurley was the one who said that protoplasm is the basics of life, physical basics of life. Next, mitochondria perform all of the functions except nucleic acid synthesis. Yes, it is carried by mitochondria. B, oxidation of fatty acids, that is also right. ATP synthesis, this is one of the prime functions of mitochondria for energy generation. The function which it does not carry out is polysaccharide degradation. Okay, so this function is not carried out by mitochondria. Next, organelles which are regarded as the powerhouse. See, this term powerhouse has been used since school days. So even a 5th standard child would be knowing the organelle which is called the powerhouse of the cell and is responsible for oxidative reaction is mitochondria. They are the organelle which gives energy, generates energy. Hence they are called as powerhouse. Next, which of the following is the correct pair? DNA synthesis in ribosomes, protein synthesis in smooth endoplasmic reticulum, aerobic respiration in cristae, suicidal sacs dictosomes. This is the correct option. Alright. Which of the following cell organelle is considered to be rich in catabolic enzymes? Which of the following forms the correct pair? The correct pair is aerobic respiration carried out in cristae. Next, which of the following organelle is considered to be rich in catabolic enzymes? Okay. See, the organelle that is responsible for respiration, which is mitochondria. It is the mitochondria which is carrying out catabolic processes Hence, mitochondria would be rich in catabolic enzymes. So the correct option is D. Next, what is common between chloroplast, chromoplast and leucoplast? Okay. Is it the presence of pigments, presence of thylakoids and grana, storage of starch, proteins and lipids? No. Ability to of multiply by a fission like process. So this option is correct. Okay, it is the ability to multiply by a fission like process. Quantasomes are found in chloroplast. Quantasomes are found in chloroplast. See, these quantasomes, they are found in thylakoid membranes. Of chloroplast. And it is actually here where photosynthesis is carried out. So the correct option is B, chloroplast. Let's proceed with the next question. The question says, which of these is a mismatch? Now I'm reading out the options. Elioplast, its function, one of its function is to store oils and fats. So this option is correct. That means the function is correctly given in front of the organelle. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll pigments. This is also correct. Chromo, the word chromo only means color. Okay, so chromoplast contain colored pigments other than chlorophyll. This is also a true statement. Leucoplast contain colorless pigment. True statement. So which of the following option is a mismatch? Is option number A. This is a mismatch. Amyloplast doesn't store protein granules. Next question. So the question says endoplasmic reticulum is more developed in. The options are green cells, young cells, mature cells, bacteriophage. The correct option is young cells. Next. Mechanical support, enzyme circulation, protein synthesis, detoxification of drugs. These are functions of endoplasmic reticulum. See, endoplasmic reticulum has rough endoplasmic reticulum, and rough endoplasmic reticulum has a function of protein synthesis. Alright. Then it also carries out drug detoxification. Endoplasmic reticulum, one type was rough endoplasmic reticulum, the other type is smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Now smooth endoplasmic reticulum, these mainly helps in mechanical support, and it also helps to circulate enzymes. So all the functions that are given in the question, mechanical support, enzyme circulation, these are functions of smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Protein synthesis and detoxification, these are functions of rough endoplasmic reticulum, and both are types of endoplasmic reticulum. So the correct option is A. Next. The endoskeleton of the cell is made up of. See, cell wall is basically for protection. It gives the cell boundary, right? So this is giving protection and this serves as a boundary. Endoplasmic reticulum, if you see, this is mainly for support, for carrying out drug detoxifications, circulating enzymes. Mitochondria is for providing energy, generation of ATP, right? Hence called as powerhouses. And the endoskeleton of the cell is made up of cytoplasm. So this cytoplasm gives the cell rigidity. Okay. So the correct option is C, cytoplasm. This is the endoskeleton of the cell. Next, secretory and membrane proteins are processed in. The option is Golgi complex. See, Golgi complex or Golgi apparatus, they secrete many type of enzymes. Alright, so the correct option is C. Organelle, whose major function is storage of hydrolytic enzymes, is what? Is it centrioles? No, centrioles are involved in during spindle formation. Chloroplast or colored pigment. C and D option is same only. Chromoplast? No. So lysosome. See, lysosome are also termed as suicide bags. Remember. Okay, and it is lysosomes which will secrete hydrolytic enzymes. So lysosomes are the ones which are helpful in storage of hydrolytic enzymes. Next, the site of protein synthesis in plant, or which of the following organelle is called as protein factory of the cell? Protein factory. See, we all know ribosomes are responsible for protein synthesis. It is ribosomes where synthesis of mRNA takes place, right? So it has two subunits attached with the thread of mRNA. So these have anticodes for protein synthesis. So the correct option is B, ribosomes. Next question. The function of centriole is the center point of chromosomes, right? And during separation of chromosomes or moving them towards the opposite poles, it is through the centriole where spindle fibers get attached to the chromosome. So the function of the centriole is formation of spindle fibers. So the correct option is A. Next. Nucleoli are rich in, is it only DNA? Only RNA? No, it's DNA, RNA as well as protein. So nucleoli are rich in all three, DNA, RNA and protein.